Hello, my name is Pavel Sushkevich. I'm product owner of SAP Marketing in Atlant-M company, and today I will talk about our experience of implementing and using SAP Marketing. Atlant-M is an international automotive company that specializes in automotive sales, warranty and service, and parts supply. Now the holding includes 15 automobile centers in Russia, Belarus, and Ukraine. In 2018, we decided to review the processes of interaction with customer in the holding. Prior to that, each dealership interacted with its customer independently. The process was uncontrollable and non-systematic, and required a lot of resources. To solve this problem, we decided to implement a centralized CLM, Customer Lifecycle Management System. SAP Marketing was chosen as the platform for this project, with Atlant-Consult as the implementing partner. We do not just sell cars. We help clients to choose and comfortable own one. We work with a customer lifecycle model, where the starting point is the customer, not their car. At the beginning of his journey, the customer does not own a car. He looks for one, takes test drives, studies different models. Then he buys a car, begins to service it, and after a while, think about either upgrading or buying a second car for the family. Our task is to make each of these stages comfortable. To do this, we use SAP Marketing, which gathers customer data into a single profile, carries out segmentation, generates offers and communications with customer in a way that is convenient for them, without burdening them with irrelevant offer and redundant messages. We collect all available data about the client in his single profile. This includes the personal data he or she lives with us, data about the preferred channels of communication, the manager's experience with the client, finances, and preferences. Based on the collected data, we can segment customers by various criteria to make relevant offers for them. SAP Marketing allows us to create different levels of segmentation and get the right target groups. We don't just segment the customer base. By combining segmentation and evaluation functionality, we have implemented RFM analysis that allows us to track at a convenient time interval, day, week, or month, changes in the structure of our customer base. And that's not all. Implementing of RFM analysis has allowed us to become even more flexible in terms of communication with our clients. In addition, we recognize the importance of avoiding redundant communication with customers. SAP Marketing allows us to build communication rules. For example, contact a customer no more than X time in a Y period. If event X is preceded by event Y, cancel event Z. Do not form calls and email to non-existent numbers and addresses. Sure, at Atlant-M, we decided under RFM criteria to take three top-level estimates. The first, number of cars purchased by the customer in the last 5 years. The second, total after-sales receipts over the last 3 years. And third, the age of the last visit. Moreover, three lower-level estimates. Active customer, including regular and ready to sleep. Asleep, including recently asleep and almost lost. And lost. We form a unique offer to each segment. We retain regular customers. We try to wake up the ready-to-sleep segment. Fight to retain customers who are about to become a lost customer. And working to bring back those customers who have left us. And we are already getting the first results of this work. Through our nearly lost and lost campaigns, we have interacted with 1,500 clients, of whom 201 have shown interest and 154 have returned. All of this gave us an additional $24,000 in revenue. I should note, these are daily campaigns. Every day we get more and more clients back. The holding has a long history of cooperation with Atlant-Consult. The company has implemented and supported ERP and CRM systems at Atlant-M, so we knew we could trust them. In addition, Atlant-Consult is a platinum partner of SAP, and they have a lot of experience in implementing SAP customer experience products, including SAP Marketing. The company specialists ensure quick implementation and high-quality support for the project, and once again confirm their excellent reputation.